You don't need to quit your job. All you need is a plan for 1 to 2 hours per day. I run a small business from home, but I need to retire soon and my pension fund is not sufficient. And that is why I went searching online for a way that I could earn an extra income. I came across this online business that is beginners friendly. It has a step-by-step guide to show you exactly what to do. And do you know what? You only need a cell phone and Wi-Fi, and you don't need any experience. This is just to show you that you are able to do this small business or this online business while you are working your 9-to-5 job. All you need to do is have some time early in the morning, during your lunch hour, and in the evenings to make up your 2 hours. And you can start building momentum and make your videos and do your work that is required to be done while you're still working your 9-to-5 job. If you are interested to find out more about how I do my 2 hours a day on digital marketing, online business, why don't you WhatsApp me, start, and I will send you a PDF and a short video to explain how to start.